In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change voice tone in ElevenLabs. If you want your AI voice to sound more expressive, more serious, more energetic, or just better matched to the style of your content, ElevenLabs gives you two main ways to control tone. One method is great for broad overall tuning, and the other gives you more nuanced emotional control directly inside your script. First, head to the text-to-speech interface in ElevenLabs. This is where you will generate your voice output and make the tone adjustments. Once you are there, select the voice you want to work with. The voice you choose matters, because each one responds a little differently to tone adjustments. So it's a good idea to start with a voice that already feels close to the style you want. Next, click on Voice Settings, which you'll find below the voice box here. You will see several sliders that help you shape the overall behavior of the voice. The first one is Stability. If you lower stability, the voice becomes more expressive, more dynamic, and a little less predictable, which can be useful if you want a natural or emotional read. If you increase stability, the voice becomes more consistent and more monotone, which can work well for formal narration or content that needs a steady delivery. The next setting is Similarity. This controls how closely the generated voice matches its original parameters. Adjusting this can help you fine-tune how faithful the output sounds to the selected voice, especially if you are experimenting with different tonal qualities. You will also see Style Exaggeration. Raising this setting makes the unique traits of the voice stand out more. This can be useful if you want a stronger personality or more dramatic delivery. Just be careful not to push it too high, because extreme settings may introduce artifacts or make the result sound less natural. If you want even more precise control, especially emotional changes within the same line, you can use audio tags. This works if you are using the 11v3 model, so go into your generation settings and make sure 11v3 is selected. Then, in your text box, type emotional cues inside square brackets. These tags tell the model how to deliver the next part of the line. For example, you could write, Excited tone, I can't believe it actually worked. Whisper, let me tell you a secret. You can also use tags like sigh, light chuckle, or serious tone to create more realistic delivery and shift the mood naturally as the sentence progresses. This is especially useful when you want your script to feel more human and less flat. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.